In a softly lit nursery, Maya in a pastel onesie feels a tiny itch on her nose and beams with curiosity. She scrunches her face, taps her nose, and lets out a bubbly sneeze that sends her into delighted giggles. She tumbles softly to the floor but treats it as a game, rolling back with a triumphant grin. Each episode features a new idiom like under the weather or spill the beans, tied to the day's gentle event. Inside the cozy nursery, Pixar-like warmth and expressive eyes turn tiny moments into heartwarming adventures for little Maya and grown-ups watching.